Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create pages and sections in your OneNote app in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. You can easily create a page and sections to your notebook app. First, launch notebook app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system. OneNote app is now open. Here we will see how to create new pages and sections. You can see a page. How to create pages and section in OneNote, we will see here. To create a new page and sections, from the top menu bar, click on plus signs. As you see, click on plus signs and you can see a new sections will release. Simply click on a plus sign and another page and sections will release. Now we will see how to create a new page. From the right side you will see a add page icon and click on add page and a new page will add to your OneNote app. Here you can easily rename it. Simply right click on it and choose rename. So you can easily create a new section and new page in your OneNote app. You can rename it easily. Simply select it and assign a name to this newly created page in OneNote app. That's all.